3 years ago, my skin was an absolute mess. Dull, rough, tired, unhappy. I had tried over 100 moisturizers. Expensive one, dermatologist one, viral one, everything. And nothing worked. Until one random day, I picked up this little bottle completely by accident. Without thinking twice, without any expectations. And what happened next? Changed my skin, changed my confidence. Forever. Don't you want to know what it is? Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing and taking good care of your beautiful skin. I am Simi and you are watching the 5 Energy, where beauty always meets the truth. Today I am not just doing a regular review. Today I am telling you a story of the one moisturizer that out of over 100 products made me say I will never replace this. 3 years, same product, zero regrets. And today I am telling you everything. Just see me completely being real with you as always. And please stay till the end because I'm going to reveal something about this product that even long-term users don't know. Okay, are you ready? Because I'm going to introduce you my longest relationship. 3 years, no fights, no breakup, no drama. I wish I could say the same about everything else in my life. So this is the Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Emulsion. Rice in a moisturizer? See me, what are you doing? Because what does this little 150 ml bottle has done for my skin? No expensive products, no viral product, no dermatologist recommendations. And I have the 3 years of glowing skin to prove this. Now, this is the K-Beauty inspired moisturizing emulsion. Think of it as a middle child between a toner and a cream. Lightweight enough to not feel heavy, but powerful enough to completely transform your skin. It has only 2 hero ingredients. But trust me, these 2 are everything. Rice extracts, the centuries-old Asian beauty secret. Ceramides, the superhero your skin barrier never knew it needed. Simple, powerful, life-changing. And I'm going to prove it to you today. Okay, let me show you how I exactly use this. So just few drops in my hand. See this. It looks light, almost watery. I spread it gently across my hand and then press it. That's all. It feels soft and smooth, not sticky, not heavy. Just fresh and glowing. And the best part, even after 3 years, my skin is still upset. No dullness, no dryness, just happy, healthy skin. Alright, you have seen how I use it. But let's get real. So let me tell you the pros and cons of this moisturizer. Let's start with the good things about this moisturizer. Number 1, it's super lightweight. It melts into the skin, no stickiness, no heaviness. Number 2, hydration. The ceramides in this bottle are like a little bodyguards for my skin barrier. Number 3, glow. Rice extracts gives the soft, bright look. The kind of glow that makes people say, wow, your skin looks amazing. Number 4, simple formula. Just 2 hero ingredients. Easy to understand. No complicated list. And number 5, value. This 150 bottle lasts me months. So it's affordable compared to fancy creams. Now, which I don't like about this product. First, no pump. See? You have to pour it out. And sometimes that gets messy. Second, if your skin is very dry, this little might not be enough. You may need a heavier cream on top. Third, it has a little fragrance. But I don't mind. But if you are super sensitive, you might. Fourth, it's not easy to find in local shops. Most of the times you all need to order online. And finally, it's not a quick fix. You won't wake up glowing overnight. It works with consistency, not miracle. So here's my final verdict. The Rice Ceramide Emulsion is not just my skincare. It's my everyday glow partner. It's very light. It keeps my skin soft, hydrated and fresh. That's why I have trusted it for 3 years. And it still delivers. Yes, it has a few small downsides. No pump, a little fragrance, and you need to patience to see results. But honestly, the good things shine brighter than the flaws. And the best part, it's affordable. This 150 ml bottle usually costs around 990 rupees. But the online you can often grab it for 850 to 900 on sale. Since one bottle lasts for months, it's really good value for money. If you want everyday hydration, natural glow and a product feels real, this bottle is worth it. 3 years, one bottle, endless glow. And I am never letting it go. Okay, now it's time to reveal the secret. And the secret is the Simple Right Ceramide Emulsion works better than many luxury creams. Yet cost only the fraction. One bottle lasts me for months, giving glow, hydration and saving all in one. This is the glow hack. I have trusted for 3 years and now it's yours too. So that's it for today's honest review. If this video gave you even a little glow, please hit that like button. It really supports me. Share your thoughts and skincare stories in the comments. I love connecting with you. And if you are new here, welcome to the 5 Energy family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you will never miss our glow talks, because this is where beauty meets the truth. This is Simi from the 5 Energy signing off. Stay radiant, stay real. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.